Welcome back to Bike Max, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. If you're a fan of raw power, extreme performance, and the kind of bike that separates the brave from the timid, then you're in for a treat today. The 2025 Maico 700 is here, and it's not just another dirt bike. It's a beast that redefines off-road dominance. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive deep into what makes the Maico 700 the king of the two-stroke world. This bike is built for one thing: unapologetic power. It's not for the faint-hearted or the weekend warriors. No, this is a machine for those who want to experience raw, unfiltered, two-stroke fury at its finest. But Maico didn't just slap a bigger engine into an old frame and call it a day. They've refined, modernized, and optimized this beast to make it even more formidable than ever. So, what makes the 2025 Maico 700 so special? Let's break it all down, from its insane engine to its rugged build, handling, and the sheer thrill of riding it. At the core of the Maico 700 lies a 700 cubic centimeters single-cylinder two-stroke engine, one of the biggest and most powerful two-stroke engines ever fitted to a production dirt bike. This engine is an absolute powerhouse, producing an estimated 80-plus horsepower and massive torque, making it one of the most brutal off-road bikes in existence. Power isn't just about going fast. It's also about control. Maico has equipped this bike with a high-performance carburetor and an optimized exhaust system, ensuring that all that raw energy is delivered smoothly and efficiently. With great power comes great responsibility, and Maico understands that this kind of performance needs a strong and capable chassis to handle it. The 2025 Maico 700 features a lightweight yet incredibly tough chromoly steel frame, designed to take on the roughest terrains while keeping the bike agile and responsive. Suspension is another key aspect, and Maico has gone all out to ensure that this bike can handle anything you throw at it. It's equipped with fully adjustable long-travel suspension that soaks up bumps, jumps, and rugged trails with ease. Whether you're blasting through deep sand, climbing rocky hills, or launching off jumps, this suspension system keeps you in control. The bike's geometry and suspension tuning make it surprisingly nimble for its size, allowing riders to navigate tight trails and corners with precision. However, this isn't the kind of bike you casually take for a ride. It's designed for high-speed off-road action, hill climbs, dunes, and extreme terrain. One of the standout features is its torque-heavy nature, which means you can effortlessly power through deep mud, sand, and loose dirt without getting bogged down. And thanks to its lightweight frame, it remains incredibly flickable despite its large displacement. But here's the thing: you need to be in top form to ride this bike well. It requires strength, skill, and quick reflexes to handle all that power. If you're not careful, it will throw you off before you even realize what happened. But for those who can master it, the reward is one of the most exhilarating dirt bike experiences imaginable. Now, the big question: who should buy the 2025 Maico 700? This is not a bike for casual riders or beginners. It's for experienced riders who crave extreme power and performance. If you love hill climbing, desert riding, or just want the most powerful two-stroke dirt bike money can buy, this is the machine for you. It's built for those who want an unfiltered, adrenaline-pumping experience every time they twist the throttle. The 2025 Maico 700 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's proof that two-strokes are alive and well, delivering more power and excitement than ever before. It's not for everyone, but for those who dare to take on its raw power, it offers an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're tearing through the desert, climbing steep hills, or just enjoying the sound of that iconic two-stroke roar, this bike delivers in every way. So, what do you think? Would you ride the 2025 Maico 700, or is it too much to handle? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Maico 700, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest motorcycle reviews and deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.